What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. My name's Olineece. Today we're gonna get into this Valentine's Day look. If you already like this look, you might as well go ahead and hit those big red letters below love. You know what it is. Subscribe so that subscribe really, you know what it is. Subscribe so that you can always see my up and coming videos and that you never miss out on an opportunity like this or a beat face like this or something else up my sleeve. You never know what I have coming for you. And while you're at it, you might as well hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bippity boppity boo, you already know how we do. Let's get right into this video. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. Y'all, I don't even want to talk about it. I just had the time of my life trying to record this dang video. And that's all I'm going to say on that. But I'm still blending with this Koji. I'm just going to keep blending out and move on to the next color. Take this devilish color and go in there. Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah guys, so the freaking most stressful part is finally over. I'm just gonna go in and blend out what I can because this stuff has been sitting on my face way too long. But that was because technical difficulties and such. So whatever doesn't blend, you'll just be seeing me add like more concealer just to try and make this okay. The Milani bronzer, y'all. Sorry, the little case is a little busted up. I couldn't really decide what bronzer I wanted to use today, so went back to Old Faithful, and you know, or maybe you don't know, and here I am doing you a favor, putting on? I don't know. I don't know. Look at us. Who would have thought? Not me. So that's the Milani bronzer. Now I'm going to take this palette by NARS and do a little plush. What I am about to do is fix this nose contour because it's out of line, sis. So I'm going to take my Laura Mercier and next I'm gonna do some highlighter. And if y'all watch any of my previous videos, I always love taking this little dewy stick and hitting the highlights of my face. So I just blend that in with my finger. Just blend that in with my fingers. I'm gonna take the Warriors Juvia's palette and highlight with this baby. Mix it up in a pot, in an air pot. Woo! Best believe this highlight is popping. And I just like to blend it out. Blend it. I blend it, blends. What else do I do? Next, I'm gonna take care of my lipstick. Get this over with. So first, I'm going in with the Maybelline. I'll probably just use like a mix of lipsticks today, because I know y'all gonna be asking, what's on your lips? What's on your lips? Girl, I don't know. What's on your lips? Let me not even go there. Let me not even. And before y'all say I'm crazy for using all these lip colors, exit stage left now, please. Just exit. Because nobody wants to hear it. Nobody. So, that's it for lips. That's my whole damn lip. Dang. That's it. I might clean it up a little. I'm gonna clean it up a little. Look, whoever said makeup was easy, they lied. They lied. And I want all my money back. I want all of it back. You can refund it to address 2225. I'm barely alive. Because the way this makeup tutorial is going, y'all, woo, for y'all, I don't know how long it's, for me, it's been a while, and that's all I'm gonna say. It's been a while. About ready for this whole tutorial to be over, baby. Good thing we are coming to the end, which could either make it or break it. Okay, 10 out of 10, do not recommend this sugar eyeliner. Just don't do it. I'm just finishing it up because I made it this far, but like the tip is way too long and then it's like it's dry. Okay, I completely messed this eyeball up, but this one's cute. Mascara. I look like Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. Like Barbie, y'all. I did kind of like want to go in and like trace the inner corner. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get. So next I'm gonna do some lashes. I really want some like start small and go long. And if you guys haven't seen these lashes, y'all should go check out my lash haul video. But I'm gonna choose these and smack them on my eyeball and come right back with y'all. Okay guys, this is officially the look with the lashes on. So like I said, this is the finished look with the eyelashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'll show y'all a little clip of that, just sped up real quick. Okay guys, these are the curls unbrushed, but I'm about to finger comb them. If you guys want to know the specs of this wig, there will be a video coming up, so make sure you guys watch out for that. Make sure you guys subscribe so that you guys can see the video, and I'll be right back with y'all for the official final Valentine's Day look. Okay y'all, I just finger combed these curls out, and this is the official Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers next time. Make sure you watch for a little montage of me working it, okay? I love y'all so much, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.